Hello.
Hello, Jenlyn. How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you.
Very good.
Where
You're
are you
welcome.
now?
Where am I? Egypt.
Is it?
Yeah, Egypt.
So, where are you from?
I'm from this place, Michigan.
Okay.
Oh, wait, this
So
place.
you are from, okay.
Michigan, the
It's quite
mitten
far, but
state.
I can understand. So you are
Yeah.
from Michigan and you're in Egypt time.
Yeah, I live in Egypt. Yeah. America's more
Okay.
like a trip for me. Yeah. hmm
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Your native place is like a trip for you.
hmm It's just a vacation. I don't really like
It's
it.
so
I don't
cool.
like the US. Don't like it. So
Why? Why?
it's just no Egypt. But my family's
Why?
there, so
Why?
I have to go.
Mm-hmm.
What?
Okay. So how long have you been in Egypt?
Um, this time since early November. I've never been here a full year. I always go home eventually, and then I come back. So, but I've been doing this
Okay.
8 years, for 8 years. Yeah.
So you're in Egypt for 8 years, you mean?
Mm-mm. No, I go to the US, I come back. I go to the US, I come back. Eight
Okay, okay.
years doing that. Yeah. hmm So, yeah. Where are you?
I'm in India. I'm in
Where in India?
the state
hmm
called Bihar.
Oh,
Actually, I'm from Northeast, so yes. Have you
isn't New
heard the
Delhi
name?
there?
Have you ever heard the name of my state? I mean, Bihar. Have you ever heard this?
Mm-mm.
No.
No. What city?
It's not a city. Actually, Bihar is the name of a
Mhm.
state. Okay, and I live in a village.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yes. As I
hmm
already told you that this state, my state, it exists in the northeast, very
hmm
close to Nepal.
Oh,
I mean,
wow.
we share the borders with Nepal. Nepal is right
Wow.
in the north.
Okay. Okay. Have you
Yeah.
been there?
Yes. In fact, yeah. In fact, my parents.
hmm
Sorry, actually, I want to say that parents of my mom, they are
hmm
from Nepal.
Oh,
Yes.
your grandparents.
And yeah, and for Indians, it's free. We can travel
Mm.
Nepal without any document, no visa
Oh,
required.
nice. Okay. Very good. It's exciting.
Yeah.
It's cold there, though, isn't it?
Now
Okay.
it's getting autumn. Yes, autumn is very soon.
Really?
Autumn. Yes, autumn.
Are you
And
sure? Or you mean spring? Wait, you go
no,
autumn, spring?
at this time, you can say that pre-spring, but not exactly spring, because
But between
the leaves are falling fast at this time.
but between spring and autumn is winter. You don't have winter?
I have winter. I have, but the temperature is not like winter now. Okay.
Oh,
So, yes, leaves are falling fast now. The temperature is getting warmer day by day.
but technically you're on my calendar, right? Which is it's the winter solstice right now. You don't say winter though?
Uh, listen. Why it's happening? Because the weather
Mhm.
is not similar everywhere in India. Okay, it just
Right. Not
depends
same with
on,
US. Yeah.
yes.
Mhm.
So it just depends on the location. So I'm
Mm,
saying according to my location. Okay.
mm,
But if you travel in the south of my country right now,
mhm.
you can feel like it's summer.
Right, like Goa.
Temperature like
Mhm,
summer. Yes. In
mhm.
Goa or Kerala or Karnataka and so
Right.
on. Yes.
Hmm. Okay.
So have you ever been to India?
No, but I have a trip planned up here. I have a whole trip planned, but then COVID
Okay.
hit and I just haven't been there yet. But I have a trip planned in my head.
Okay.
So
So
it'd be
where
Goa and Bangalore. Yeah,
Bangalore.
in Goa.
Your name is Jelin or Jenlyn. How do you call
Jenlyn.
it?
Jenlyn. Yeah.
Jenlyn.
Yeah.
So when
What's your
so
name? How do you
when
say
is
your name?
my name is Anuj.
Anuj. Okay.
Yes, generally
Mhm.
teachers call by mistake. Teachers
Mhm.
call Anju.
Oh, yeah, I can see that.
Yes,
Yeah,
so
I
it
can
is
see where they
Anuj.
could get that mixed up.
Yes,
Yeah. Yeah, that's a unique name. I've never heard that one.
it is. You're right.
Hmm.
It's a rare
Hmm.
name. In fact, I'm the
Hmm.
only person whose name is Anuj in my locality. In fact,
Really?
in my
Okay.
village, it's only one.
Nice.
Yes.
My name's very popular. Yeah. My parents weren't very unique in my name. Yeah.
It is because
Mm.
putting name was in the hand of parents. So
Yeah, I know, right?
whatever whatever they gave me, I'm just happy
Mhm.
with that.
Do people
Yes,
change their name in India? Are you allowed to change your name,
I
like
can,
legally?
but in general, I can, but in generally no, because once the name is in your document, official documents, then it is better if you don't change. Otherwise, you will have to change your name everywhere from every documents.
And it takes money and time, and yeah, it's a hassle. Who would do that? I know. I don't know why you would, unless you really
Er,
hate your name that your parents gave you. I don't know why you'd change your name. Yeah.
uh, but I would say that though people have nicknames,
Hmm.
right? Uh, in locality, in general, people call you by your nicknames. I
Yeah.
wanna say yes.
Yeah. That's not a legal name, but
Some
yeah, it's definitely a different name. Yeah.
some people have just one name. Some people have more than one names. So it depends on people to people, and it also depends on parents.
Hmm.
Sometimes mother also gives a name to his child. Sometimes father also gives a name. Okay.
Hmm.
Sometimes grandfather. Sometimes grandmom. So it is like that
Hmm.
one person has
Hmm.
relation with every single person in a family, right? And everyone wants to show their love, his or her love, I mean, by putting
Hmm.
his name according to his mind.
Hmm.
Yes,
Did you know? Yeah, in Egypt they have four names. It's crazy, like the Muslim thing that they do, Islam
it
thing.
is.
Yeah,
It is.
I don't know.
But one name is
The girls have
popular.
like one girly name, but then like their other three names are all men's names, and I just think it's so weird. I don't know.
There are
Yeah.
several common names I see. Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh, we have the common name Mahmoud and Mohammed and Ahmed and yeah, everybody has
It
the
is.
same
It is.
name. It seems like
It is.
Mustafa. um, but I
And
think
what do you like
India.
there? Tell me.
What do I like in Egypt?
Yes.
That you mean? Everything. Uh,
What
there's
something is specific which I mean attracts you, fascinates you.
um, the people and the like the weather and scenery. Like I like the desert. I'm obsessed with the desert. And then all of our deserts seem like it has the sea because we're on two beautiful seas, Mediterranean and the Red Sea. So yeah, Egypt has beautiful beaches and but then it seems like there's always mountains. Any beach you're at, it's like one side's the sea, one side has beautiful mountain ranges and it's incredible. And the people really make this place, I think. So yeah, and the warm
So
weather.
in
I
short,
love
if
my
you
doors
say
open, birds are coming in, like so nice here. Eh? What?
it's cool, it's yes.
It's beautiful.
Sorry, I just wanted to say that in short, you can
Hmm.
say scenery around is incredible. You mean, right? Nature is incredible there.
Not so much green, but yeah, I think the nature is incredible because it's all sand. It's desert and beaches and palm trees. So you get your green from palm trees. But my resort here, we have a lot of grass and flowers, and but you have to like really grow it and really keep up on it because it's not like natural. I mean, it's real grass, but you have to really keep up on it because it doesn't just like do that in Egypt, like not everywhere, like America. So
What
yeah, it's
exactly do you like? I mean, what exactly do you like
what do you mean
from
about
nature?
Egypt? Oh,
Part of
nature.
nature. No. Yes.
Uh, what I just said, like mountains, sea, beaches, desert. Those are my favorite things. And Egypt, yeah, I'm right here in it all. And like where I live is I have everything. I live at the Red Sea. I have a beach and we have crystal lagoons everywhere, which aren't natural, but they're beautiful. Palm trees. I like palm trees. Michigan doesn't have a single palm tree. No. So yeah.
So these things attract you, right?
Yeah. Big time.
That's cool.
Hmm.
That's cool.
And like the cats, like all the wild cats. There's just so many cats everywhere. I love cats.
Okay,
So
tell
camp.
me one thing. Tell me that in general, believe that a person who likes nature is a calm person. Can you hear me?